Good morning, Mr. Ved Prakash. It is really good morning now because only 2 o'clock in the morning. I really appreciate your interest in trying to know how you can succeed in the in the interview. Now, are you seeing the? I will show you now. I will show you the link of the materials given to you. This is the link of materials I have given to you. 1 minute. Yeah, this is the link of materials. Are you seeing the materials now? No, no. You need not open WhatsApp. You can you can just see the screen. On the screen, are you seeing some files? Yeah. Now, for your Federal Bank interview preparation, what is more important is I think they would have given you a job of a probationary officer that is like this. They would have given you a, a material. I mean, your Federal Bank would have sent you a message, and it will go like this, and uh, same way it will be there. And now I don't know whether they've changed the norms and all, whatever it is. Usko, please go through that one. That will tell you the job role you have to play. Then, what is important from your interview point of view is this banking abbreviations. This banking abbreviations, you please go through that. Then there will be this one is very, very important. Are you seeing this file? What is the name of this file I am showing now? Hello? If this file name is A 2023 Federal Bank Interview Questions. ये ये तो स्मॉल फाइल नहीं है, इसका अंदर में 400 पेजेस है. ये पूरा पढ़ने के लिए आपको समय नहीं है. You please read only 1 to 50 pages of this. Yeah. Here, first, I have told you about the hierarchy in your bank, that is your for Federal Bank. And next one is this is one important topic about the recent changes that have been initiated in regard to Form 15G, Form 15H. That is for people drawing more interest from banks. Then this is the latest thing you need. Federal Bank Quarter 3 results. ये आपने मगअप करना है. Here I have given up to 26/3. अभी latest only I have not given. If you want I can change it. Doesn't matter. बाद में change कर देगा. इसका बाद में जो आता है वो आपको important नहीं है. यूनियन बैंक वाला आपको important नहीं है. इसका बाद में जो आता है ये सब आपको important है. Please go through what is given here, like RBI governor, RBI's your MD and CEO of your bank, number of happy customers, ये सब पढ़ लीजिए. Then these are important rates given, ये भी पढ़ लीजिए. The functions of Reserve Bank दिया है, वो भी पढ़ लीजिए. Then know about SEBI and other things. Then sure short questions, ये सबको प्रिपेयर होना है. और ये वाला 26 तारीख में पूछा हुआ क्वेश्चन है in a Federal Bank interview. What are your strengths? B.Tech to banking क्यों? Why sales? And this is about ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank में ऐसा भी questions पूछा. Similar questions in your interview also. So please prepare for all these things. This candidate has come out successful. So far, 12 candidates have come out successful in this year only. In the last 3 months, 12 people have come out successful. Now, next important point is what you need to prepare is in this guidely, you will come across the second one, bank interview, 46 pages questions and answers. इसको थोड़ा prepare करना है आप. This is banking related. Sometimes they don't ask banking questions. फिर भी हम लोग इसको prepare करना पड़ता है. Then you are a marketing person. You can go through this marketing capsule also. Here in this marketing capsule, here it is told what is marketing management, what is product management, what is brand management, how the consumer buying behavior, what is meant by sales, what is retail marketing, what is services marketing. Because बैंक में हम लोग कुछ प्रोडक्ट को बिक्री नहीं करते हैं, बट वी आर सर मार्केटिंग सर्विसेज. सो इसका बारे में ये भी थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिए. बट ये सब में it is not necessary you should answer exactly like that, but you must talk confidently. This one is the publication of Reserve Bank of India, which tells about the frauds that are committed nowadays on innocent people like us. So please go through this also, like phishing, mishing, whatever it is. ये सबको पढ़ लीजिए. Okay. Then apart from that, union ministers list. This is the union ministers list. You should go through that and get to know. You should know important ministry like health department, home department, agriculture, MSME, education, then foreign affairs, then finance, डिफेंस. ये सब आपको इम्पोर्टेंट मालूम होना है. यू आर अ बॉय, नेटिव स्टेट क्या है आपको? बिहार. बट नाउ यू आर स्टडीइंग इन पटना. अच्छा ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. बिहार मतलब बिहार का बारे में आपको वो आर द मिनिस्टर्स इन यूनियन कैबिनेट, ये सब आपको पता होना है. इसका अलावा यू मस्ट प्रिपेयर अबाउट यूर स्टेट मिनिस्टर्स एज ऑन डेट. बट अभी क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है, आपका स्टेट में तो इलेक्शन होने वाला है. सो यू नो द प्रेजेंट मिनिस्ट्री, दैट विल बी बेटर. इसका अलावा व्हाट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट एज फार एज बिहार इज कंसर्न्ड, दिस यूनियन बजट. ये यूनियन बजट का हाइलाइट्स दिया हुआ है इधर. ये सबको व्हाट आर द इंजिन्स ऑफ डेवलपमेंट पढ़ना है. और आपका अबाउट डेवलपमेंट ऑफ ईच स्टेट क्या क्या किया है, इसमें मोर टॉक्ड अबाउट इज दिस वन. यू मस्ट बी नोइंग अबाउट इट. मकाना बोर्ड इन बिहार, उसका बारे में क्या बोला है ये पढ़ लीजिए. प्लीज गो थ्रू दिस important points. Most important is this portion, namely about MSME. MSME का बारे में the definition has been changed. पहले तो माइक्रो का मतलब 1 करोड़ इन्वेस्टमेंट था, अभी 2.5 करोड़ हो गया, 2.5. टर्नओवर पहले तो 5 करोड़ था, अभी 10 करोड़ हो गया. ये सबको पढ़ना है. ये सब पढ़ के आप आने से तो यू विल कम अक्रॉस व्हाट आर द एफर्ट्स टेकन टू प्रमोट एक्सपोर्ट्स, ये भी पढ़ना है. देन यू अनदर इनकम टैक्स प्रपोजल्स. इसमें मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज डायरेक्ट टैक्स प्रपोजल्स अप टू 12 lakhs exemption, then 0 to 4 lakhs nil, 4 to 8 5%. ये सबको थोड़ा मन में रखना है. दिस मच आप प्रिपेयर कर दीजिए रिगार्डिंग बजट. ओके. देन दिस इज स्टैटिक जीके. दिस इज स्टैटिक जीके. दे विल आस्क यू नेम ऑफ 5 से परसेंट रिजर्व बैंक गवर्नर. कभी कभी ये भी पूछ रहा है इनका पहले कौन था, ऐसा पूछ रहे हैं. अभी वाइस प्रेसिडेंट कौन है, अभी हमारा प्रेसिडेंट, 5 प्रेसिडेंट्स का नाम बता दीजिए. लाइक दैट दे विल आस्क. 5 चीफ मिनिस्टर्स ऑफ बिहार का नाम बता दीजिए. 5 रिवर्स का नाम बिहार में बता दीजिए, 5 important business people in बिहार बता दीजिए, like that they will ask. So ये सबको अब तैयार होना है. Then इसका अलावा this is the latest material I have posted. Banking awareness. This is from another company. But थोड़ा जब समय मिलता है देख लीजिए, समय नहीं होने से तो don't worry. So, but this is one thing. But apart from this, another thing interesting I found is this page. This is another company where they are telling about what is bank definition and all. समपी देता है about 230 pages. इसको एक बार रीडिंग कर लीजिए. That's all. If you do that, what is more important is you must talk confidently in English, and you must be able to answer positively about yourself. You go through the type of questions you are getting from this material. Here, this is the type of question they are asking. This candidate has been selected in Tamil Nadu. This is the question they are asking. Tell me about yourself. Why biotech to banking? You have done some projects. Why can't you go for research? What are all the banking terms you know? Explain what is meant by CRR. What is current repo rate? Like these questions they are asking. Successful candidate. A candidate also successful. BIT वेलोर. देख लीजिए, बिल्कुल यही क्वेश्चंस पूछा है. हु इज योर रोल मॉडल, देन अबाउट फादर, then toughest situation you have faced in life, how did you tackle it, are you willing to relocate, asked about my GD. देखिए, जैसे हमने आपको जीडी का क्वेश्चन पूछा, ऐसे में भी इंटरव्यू में भी वो लोग पूछ सकते हैं. थोड़ा याद रखना है, याद रख के अच्छा से आंसर देना है. दिस इज हाउ द इंटरव्यू विल गो. दिस इज फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन फॉर यू. You can attend my interview classes every day from 8 p.m. 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. or so I will conduct. If more interviews come, I will reduce this time. But you can use the same Zoom link and come and learn new things also. Otherwise, you go through the various points I have shown you. One, I have showed you guidely. Second, I have told you study nitty. Third, I have told you EduTap. Fourth, I have told you 400 pages questions. Then fifth, I have told you about marketing paper. ये सबको prepare कर दीजिए. Abbreviations also. Then I will arrange for 2 mock interviews for you to succeed. Best wishes. God bless you. I really appreciate your efforts to stay awake at this time of the day, 3 o'clock. Best wishes. I wish you all success. Thank you.